Everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. What are widgets? Widgets is a new iOS 14 feature. They can tell you the time, the weather, battery, your notes, reminders and much more. Here's how to add widgets to your home screen. First, hold down on any app and then you can press edit home screen or continue holding till you're presented with this. Then at the top press the plus icon, then lower down from all the top bit it will show you all the apps you can add which will work with widgets, and I'm going to choose battery. You can have a small size one, a medium size one and a large size. I'm going to have the medium sized one, and I can make this into a smart stack if I just add another widget. I'm going to have clock for my next widget to add to my smart stack, and I'm going to have this one here. So all you've got to do to make it a smart stack is just hold it above that one there, and then it will drop into it, but you can only have a limited numbered one. And you just press the home button or just swipe up. With your smart stack you can move it around and press and hold, it will appear with this. And if you press edit stack you can move them around by pressing the 3 lines, and you've got smart rotate where it will automatically rotate throughout the day, but we don't want that on. Just press turn off at the top. And if I want to remove it, all I've got to do is just hold down and press remove stack, and it asks you if you want to remove, and then it's done. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.